Unboxing my 7.7 budol finds. Oops, there's more. Bench Women's Logo Teens. Bought it for only $338. Original price is for $59. Buy one take one plain shorts for only 1-to-1. A friend of mine gave this to me. It is available in Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. With 100 speed level and cooling effect. Pack tissue for only $2. Chef's Classics Moneta Series 1810 stainless steel for only $680. Regatta t-shirt, to PCs for only $484. Bench 3 PC shirt and 1 non-wire bra for only $761. Photo album for $296. Chef's Classic Stainless Steel can opener for $205. Flexing my Minty Ladorce's fan. Bought this along with SB19 merch. JB Algo for Ultra Portable Bluetooth speaker. Ready Soap Go No Rinse Foaming Soap. So on 12-in-1 children's panty for only $364. Another Sew-In children's panty for only $345. Six PCs kids pajama for $331. WP05 face tracking selfie stick with tripod. Wireless lavalier microphone. Budol finds. Excited for this coming 8.8 sale. Follow for more budol series. Item links will be available on the comment section. Thank you for watching.